Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix mobile data problems on OPPO A60. If you have issues with mobile data, you can go to the settings. Then go to connection and sharing. Make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. If it's turned on, then of course mobile data will not work, so turn it off. After that, we can go back and open mobile network. Over here we need to make sure that mobile data is enabled, and then we can also go to our SIM card to make sure that the SIM card is actually enabled over here. So turn the SIM card on in case it is disabled. Now after that, if this doesn't help, there is one more thing that you can do. So let's go back. This time we're gonna scroll all the way down and we want to go to additional settings. Over here, scroll down, go to backup and reset, and then go to reset phone. And over here we have reset network and Bluetooth settings. If you select this option, you will need to verify your identity. So you can use your fingerprint sensor, face recognition, use the face recognition, or press password in order to enter your lock screen password instead. And then you need to confirm that you want to reset network and Bluetooth settings. After that, go through these previously mentioned settings one by one more time, and make sure that the SIM card is enabled and the mobile data for the network of the SIM card is also enabled. And that's it. If that doesn't help, then the last thing that you can do is, of course, erase all data and reconfigure your device. However, this should be done only if nothing else helps. And of course, since we would erase everything, make sure to make backups. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.